Hello friends. So today we are going to talk about the importance of non-stress test or intrapartum partograph in during the ninth month as well as when you get admitted. Non-stress test is the tracing of the baby's heartbeats over a period of 15 to 20 minutes, and in that the parameters that we check are basically the basal heart rate that should range between 120 to 160 beats per minute, and the variation between each beat should be of around 5 to 10 beats per minute. So there are five criteria in which first is the basal heart rate, second is the beat to beat variability, then any accelerations which are there, and then any decelerations or any sinusoidal pattern which is seen. So accelerations, there should be at least two accelerations in 20 minutes to say that it is a good reactive trace. If there is no acceleration, then it is said to be a equivocal non-stress test, and there should be no deceleration. Now what do you mean by acceleration is 20 beats above the baseline and deceleration is 20 beats below the baseline. So whatever the baseline heart rate is there, if the fluctuation is more, if there is a good uprise, then it is a good tracing. If there is a lower heart rate which is going below 100 or it is coming down below 120, then it is a little alarming and your gynec will take care of the same. Also, if there is a sinusoidal pattern which is seen, then it is alarming, which should be taken care by your gynec. Thank you so much.